Right, slightly different video today. I'm going to be putting an extension on my pole barn here, and I'm just getting everything ready and sort of prepared, as it were. But we have come across one slight problem initially, and that is this tree here behind me, in that it's got a rather nice lean on it, and if we take it down it's only going to fall one way, which if I turn this way is slap bang right in the middle of the roof itself. So we're going to have to take it down limb by limb. And then after I've done that, I've got to prepare the ground, level it all out a little bit, put the telegraph poles in, get some wood, and bung up a new bay on the pole barn. Sounds really easy, doesn't it? And in theory it is, but it's just going to take a little bit of time. And it's now early January, 2nd of January today, hence the silly hat, but it's cold. I think this might be a two-man job, so I've recruited my neighbour Andy to give me a help. He's brilliant on chainsaws and climbing up ladders and doing all things like that. And well, he's Canadian, he's like, it's in his blood. So yeah, he's coming to help me, which is good.
Perhaps you could practice by going up the gutter and cleaning the gutter.
I've already cleaned your gutters once. Look like idiots on YouTube that drop a branch and knock our own ladder down. Right. You're going to have a bit wrap it through the thing. Take a full turn on it, I would, Anthony, because you're going to get a bit of a jolt when it drops.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay, give it a go. That seems to work all right. Okay. Definitely a good technique, that.
Okay, I'm going to give you the whole thing.
Yeah, okay.
Well, to about here.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Watch your head.
I think you got to chainsaw just below that strap.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to chainsaw here.
Yeah.
That way I know where the lateral is going to land, the same place as the tree.
And you.
Yeah, I won't be far off it either.
Right, so that's that little job done, which has been quite successful. Taken the all that tree down, and now we can level out the ground here with the tractor bucket, and then start putting the telegraph poles in for the corners of the new pole barn extension.